Hi, in front of me is Listo SP50 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Start by opening menu. Now click on clock and select this clock icon over here at the bottom left corner. Then click on this plus icon in the middle and set up an hour. When you're done, choose OK and customize your alarm by clicking on repeat and selecting days of the week. When you're done, tap on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and choose label. Label your alarm however you want to. Choose OK and tap on default over here. Now you can choose dismiss and pick one of these melodies as your alarm sound by clicking at the chosen one and going back. You can also click on add new and pick music from your device by tapping on the chosen one and going back. But I don't have any, so I will just go back and click on this icon at the bottom right corner of my alarm. As you can see, my alarm clock was successfully customized and added. But you can always turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it. Then turn it back on by clicking at the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!